Hi there, Internet. I am at a waterfall. I don't know if that's in focus or not, but I am. And I'm currently trying to make my way to my friends who are over there. Friends, and I am here. Yep, that's what I'm doing. I got off work early, not early, I got off work late actually, but we came here late, and now we're in the restricted section of the library, also known as you're not supposed to go this far, but everyone else is here too, so I don't think they really care that much. Yep, haha. Now I'm going to walk on this log. It's a log. Log, log, log. Let's walk on the log. How to get on the log. Nope, that's gonna break. That's not. And I shouldn't do this with my camera. Ta-da! I got on the log. It's not that hard to walk on. Whee! Oops, Sarah's coming. Fun. Ah! Hey girl, hey. I'm at the back of our trail, and I'm talking to you. I think that's suspicious. We're at an impasse. That way.
I'm game.
Or that way.
I'm game.
No one knows.
Yeah.
I'm getting pretty game to
Who's not
start
game?
thinking about.
What?
Are you not game?
I'm all games. I am Monopoly. Secret tunnel. Secret tunnel. Through the mountain. Secret, secret, secret tunnel. There's like a tunnel of trees back there, and I've been watching a lot of Avatar, so. We were just there like a minute ago. Ooh. Let's go.